are new developments tonight into the defender's exclusive investigation of a death inside the Macomb County Jail.
Turns out Jennifer Myers was being held behind bars as part of a policy called pay or stay. It puts people who can't afford to pay court fines in jail until they can or do. Let's bring in defender Kevin Dietz, and it's a policy that does have plenty of detractors, Kevin.
It does. We obtained Jennifer Myers' file, and what we've learned is that she was ordered by the friend of the court to pay $91 a month. And when she got $1,700 behind, the friend of the court contacted Judge Catherine George in Macomb County, who issued a bench warrant. And she was rounded up, and she was brought in, and she was told that she had to pay $500 of that debt or spend 30 days in jail. It's now a very controversial sentencing.
Jennifer Myers died in the Macomb County Jail from sepsis. Medical staff never took her to the hospital to treat her virus. She was in jail because she did not have $500 to pay for back child support. Local 4 legal expert Neil Rockine says jail should be an option only for deadbeat parents with money who are avoiding payments, not for people too poor to pay.
This woman's death is going to be hanging over the legal system's head for a while. A person who doesn't have any money should not be ordered to pay money, and they certainly shouldn't be threatened or sent to jail if they don't.
Jennifer's parents say going to jail only hurt her chances of providing for her kids.
It was a child support sweep. They're very proud of that in Macomb County, how they sweep people up for child support and incarcerate them.
And now that she has died behind bars, the kids are without a mother and without her potential financial support.
She was a loving person, a caring person, and they had no right. They had no right to take her life.
Rockine says judges need to rethink jail sentences for the indigent, insisting the fines and time locked up often create bigger problems than the original offense.
This horrible, sad tale was over a woman who was ordered to pay and could not afford to pay $91 a month. $91 a month.
Witnesses in the jail say that Jennifer Myers was sick for several days and that they asked jail guards and the medical staff to take her to the hospital, but the request was ignored. A lawsuit has been filed by the family of Jennifer Myers in federal court. Kevin Dietz, Defenders.
Well, Kevin, do we know, was there ever any kind of effort by Myers' attorney to put together some kind of, I don't know, payment plan, anything another option other than jail?
Yeah, that's what you would have hoped for, but in this case, Jennifer Myers did not have an attorney. She couldn't afford one, and she waived her right to a court-appointed attorney, so she ended up representing herself, which is another problem in this difficult case.
Sure is. All right, Kevin.